so you can hear them. They know that I'm out here and they're waiting to come out. And you can see they pretty much came out in the pecking order. And then we go over to the compost pile to see what I have brought them. That's Susanna. She's found some ice to peck on. And they follow the flock. They want to know what she has found. It must be good. So they're all clustering around.